Well, guys, I tell you what, I didn't come out here expecting that I'd be making a snow wheeling video or a snow camping video, but that's exactly what I got. I mean, we're in a full-out snowstorm here. It's been snowing for the last half hour. I'm about 7,000 feet. I am the only one out here, which is pretty cool. So honestly, I think I kind of want to capitalize on this. I'm just gonna find a nice, quiet spot, kind of secluded away from the road, and we'll set up camp there. Oh guys, that was really dumb. Thank God I got it down. But I literally just dropped out of that tree. Yikes. Well, I don't know what I can do about this, but at least we got it back. That was really dumb. Really dumb. Well, that was stupid. Long story short, I hit a tree. Honestly, as upset I am that it's broken, I can't believe I got it back. I thought I was going to be stuck up in that tree for God knows how long. Also, my only SD card that I brought was in this drone. So anyways, thank God I got it back. That was incredibly stupid. I'm going to turn it off. We'll see what we can do about it when we get back. But man, geez, guys, that was really dumb. Really dumb. All right, let's move on. Hey, buddy. Want out? Jeez. Hey, buddy. So the Rebel lights here are the ones that you saw around the ladder of the Ike camper, but there's these nice little 30-foot 5-volt lights, which are really nice. And then additionally, this one hanging right here, which I'm actually going to put in the tent, is from Big Agnes. It's the Mountain Glow tent and camp lights. Both of these are 5-volt, and I'm running them off of a 20,000 milliamp battery pack. So far, really like it. Kind of adds a nice ambiance. But anyways, we got some ribeye tonight, so I'm excited for that. But one thing I'm going to have to figure out is how to manage the fire so that I can cook over the coals while still keeping the fire going. So we'll get that done. Hey, good morning, guys. It's about 9:30. Charlie and I climbed into the tent, I don't know, probably around 11:30 last night. Usually in the tent, we keep him in this little soft crate, just because his hair, being a Corgi, would literally get everywhere. So it's kind of our way of containing it. But Charlie slept in here right next to the Mr. Heater buddy. Oh, you're gonna turn away, act like you don't know we're here? Charlie? First night with this Kelty double sleeping bag. Obviously for one person it's a little excessively spacious, but really nice material. It's down to, I believe, 20 degrees Fahrenheit, which is pretty much perfect for anything outside of the dead of winter. We'll see how well it closes in the tent, but I think we're gonna climb down and we'll get some coffee going and enjoy the day. I think despite the snowstorm yesterday, it's gonna get up into like the 60s or high 50s today, so that should be nice. All right, well, we'll see you downstairs. Hi, Charlie. Alright, so the plan for the day here, I think I'm gonna make some coffee. My parents brought down some Black Butte Gold from Sister's Coffee Company. Thanks guys, I'm pretty excited about that. Burned through all my propane, so I'm just gonna boil the water over the fire here. Other than that, we'll make some breakfast, hang out for a little bit. I have a video that I wanna knock out while I'm up here, so probably take care of that. And then in the drone footage that I'm sure you saw, there's some kind of cabin that's in the meadow down there. It looks like it hasn't been, or at least what I could tell from the drone footage, I didn't see any tire tracks or any footprints or anything, so it's been a while since anyone's been there. Kind of curious if I can get over there and just check it out, so maybe we'll pack up after I'm done filming and go take a look. Well, that's pretty neat. It's a tight fit, but my Kelty sleeping bag, the double, fits up there with 2 pillows. Sweet, yeah, pretty excited about that. All right guys, so I packed up the Jeep and actually went down the road a little bit. As I said earlier, yesterday in the drone, I caught kind of the eye on this cabin that's at the north end of this meadow. I don't even know if you guys can see this, but basically I camped right here. Right now, we're right here, and I think this cabin is like right about there. So I'm just gonna walk through this forest right here and just see if I can maybe stumble on it. I wonder what that is. I think I found it. Let's go take a look. Well, judging as how there's no footprints in the snow or anything, I'd say I'm probably the first person to be here this winter. It does say private property, so I'm not gonna dig too much here, but it is no fence or anything, so I'll just walk around and check it out. Alright, well, this was a really cool find. Again, I just happened to fly my drone over here yesterday during the snowfall and stumbled upon this cabin. Based on the looks of it, I mean, it's been decently maintained, so someone, I don't know, must live here in the summer, or I don't know, there's really not any signs or anything like that, but it opens up to this really cool meadow, which is unique in that really you don't see grass and stuff like that up here this high up. So I'll definitely want to come back here in the summer and check this out. There's a little bit of like a creek kind of that runs through here, so really neat spot. It's really nice and quiet and relaxing, actually. Anyways, it just started snowing. I think I'm gonna walk back up to the Jeep and we're gonna head on out of here. Thank you guys for coming along. Please like this video if you do, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and then leave me any comments or feedback you have in the description below.